Welcome back to another video. It is the 7th of August 2024. It is a Wednesday or Tuesday. It is a Wednesday. It is a Wednesday, yeah. It is a very slow week so far because Monday we had bloodbath in the market. Absolute bloodbath. Holy shit. Woke up and I was like, Nasdaq dropped 1,000 points. Everything went crazy. So last Friday we had recession fears as usual. We've been in a recession for ages. We're just officially doing it now. Massive drops across the market. Then Monday woke up and even bigger drops. Like, what the fuck? Nasdaq dropped 1,000 points during Asian session. Mess. We didn't take any trades Monday. Can't really confirm. I didn't really confirm what the information was. Some people were saying US sent out fighter jets and fucking things towards Iran, and then Russia is apparently putting money towards Iran, and then there was other stuff, and then yeah, I don't know the full details. I just know I stayed away from everything. Didn't do anything on Monday. Tuesday we had a good few plays be generated, but nothing was triggered unfortunately during the day. So we had like 4 pending orders, I think it was, going into Tuesday Asian session, and 3 of the plays, like some people ask, oh Rob, do you support Asian session? Well, 3 of our plays today were yesterday were triggered during last night Asian session. So we always have pending orders going into Asian session, always. So if you're an Asian trader, have you covered. If you're, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Yes, you might not be able to talk to the majority of people that are living in Europe or whatever because you may be asleep, but when it comes to using the algorithms and using the education, you have all of that. And to be honest, I'm usually up at like 8 o'clock in the morning all the way to like 12 o'clock at night anyway, so the likelihood is you're going to overlap with a lot of us regardless. So we had 3 trades triggered. Gold hit TP1 to break even. USD JPY just disrespected the fuck out of the play and just blew right through. Entry and stop loss within a second. And pound USD hit TP1 and now is hovering around. It was so close to hitting TP2. It's after retracing, but now it's hovering around. So it may be another break even, or it may be a TP2, yet to be seen. And we have 2 or 3 pending orders, I think, and we cancelled one because it was kilometers away from entry. Anyway, so yesterday and the day before, I was really just updating our educational hub. I was updating it with Algo guides and a guide on our live dashboard. I'll show you all that stuff later, and just a bunch of overall updates. I updated our trading psychology section with just tons more information and just shitloads of stuff on how to work on all the negative emotions when it comes to trading, and that took me pretty much all day to do. Again, I'll show you that later. And that's pretty much it, really. We're going to be releasing soon our journaling software. So at the TBR Academy, my kind of big thing was to give so much value that you feel almost stupid not taking it. And honestly, right now, you have 2 profitable algorithms: a swing play algorithm that if you're a busy person you can do that, a scalping play algorithm that if you can be at your computer a lot, that is pretty much your option there. Both of them are profitable in the long term. You have an educational hub with like fucking almost 15 to possibly even 20 hours worth of education now on it. Now I do give away my strategy for free online, so before you say my fucking strategy is online for free, I've given you what makes me money to you. Yeah. The only thing I go into in the educational hub is that it's so much more nicely organized. It's a lot more in-depth information, and it's a lot more easier to, and now I will say there are stuff that are in there that I would not be giving away for free. There is mindset seminars on how to deal with anxiety and depression. There's a seminar on how to master your sleep, to improve your sleep, to reduce your stress. There's one on self-worth and self-image. There's one on stress management. There's one on how to understand anxiety, understanding self-sabotage. I paid a professional in all those areas to come in and do a 1 hour to 90 minute seminar that cost me fucking hundreds, by the way, to give a seminar on how to manage those things by professionals. Yeah. And all of those things are in there. So there are some of the information I would never give away for free because I literally spent hundreds to get it, and it just doesn't make sense for me to do it. But a majority of information is. So all that is kind of up there as well. You're going to be getting access to journaling software. So like your 40, 50 to 100 euro subscription you pay in your journaling software, you don't have to pay that anymore soon. We're going to be releasing charting software, not as advanced now as TradingView or anything like that, but the primarily use is for charting and using, it has all the tools, charting plus setting alerts. So if you're like, oh, I'm paying fucking 30 euro, 40 or 50 euro per month to TradingView to set alerts, well, guess what? The TBR Academy will not have to use that either. So all of your subscriptions, we're working so that every one of those subscriptions are pointless, that you'll be able to do everything with just one subscription, and that's us. So not only do you get fucking working algorithms, you'll be getting journaling software, you'll be getting charting software, and there's so much more in the fucking background that has not yet to come. Like, you have no fucking idea. And to think that people got in here for 50 euro a month and that's what they're paying for life, I reward loyalty over all else. That's it. So whatever you come in on, that's what you stay on forever. So you're probably looking at the prices now and you're like, oh, you know, I wish I got in on this or whatever. I'm sorry, no, but the deal getting in now is still incredibly good. We have fucking working algorithms that if you literally just follow, you make your money back. Like, we will be increasing the price once we add in more of this stuff, because we're removing a lot of other softwares now. We're not going to increase it so much that it negates the point of removing your other subscriptions. But you have to realize that as we develop, and we will be creating more algorithms, we will be creating more stuff. I said from the beginning that the TBR Academy was going to be the one-stop shop for fucking everything. Everything in relation to trading, education, the news, fucking charting software, journaling software. Every software will back testing software, like everything. And it's all there, and we'll be continuously updating it, and I will never upsell, ever. The only way I will ever make more money from people is their continued subscriptions. And if we increase price, it's new people have to deal with that. But again, you're coming in based off of the value you see right there, which is still astronomically higher than anywhere else. We're leading in relation to algos and softwares and tools for traders. We are leading right now. There's nobody better than us right now. And I can confidently say that because a lot of the shit is fucking made up. We're releasing, so one thing that I'm going to be super proud of is that, like, when I was manually trading, I released all my statements, weekly statements, monthly statements from MetaTrader directly to you guys, proved that I was profitable. Now what we're going to be doing with the algos is, yes, we've already proven it's profitable. Anyone that's inside the community can verify it, because when we release a signal, and this is what really irks my shit, when someone does signal groups but most of their orders are essentially market orders, you can't mimic that. If someone says, oh, enter short position here, and the trade was fucking triggered already, it can't be mimicked. If someone releases even in my opinion, if you send a signal and it is triggered in less than 5 minutes, that is not pending orders. You're not doing pending orders. You are doing market orders, because nobody can keep up with that. And the only way you can do that sort of trading is if it's live trading and you're in a live call with that person and he's calling it live. That's the only way you can really make that work. And no, I don't have fucking time for that. I want to set my orders and go about my day. And that's what we've set up. A lot of the orders, when they're sent, never edited, never ever ever edited numbers ever. And that's what we can pride ourselves on. So when you see an order that's there, it's never been edited, and it can be 100% verifiable to everybody inside the community. So unless everyone is fucking lying and giving fucking money to the community and a subscription that they're lying about, it doesn't make sense. So what we're going to be doing is our journaling software. We're going to release the charts. We're going to basically release it soon, so you can verify all the information of the algorithm, how much you could have made, the P&L, everything. And you can go back and look at all the trades, and all of it's verifiable. You can go back to the original post, see that nothing can be edited, and you can verify it all yourself. That is a level of transparency, and that is a level of trust that I give my systems and that I give to you as well. So we are unfucking rivaled in transparency, tools, resources, education. Because remember, when I talk about the education stuff, trading psychology is the hardest one. I have so much experience in psychology, yeah, because I did it with personal training for years. I have I did a huge amount of upskilling in psychology of people, and guess what? All of that psychology training transfers straight over into trading, almost one-to-one, and all of that is inside our educational hub. So we give the best offer, we give the best place for traders, we give you an unfair advantage in the market. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to go to the gym right now. When I go home, I said we have 2 pending orders, or 3 pending orders I think, and we have one that's in play right now. So we'll see how they work out, and once I get home I'm going to show you what I've been doing really. So see you then. So guys, we're on my computer here now. I'm just going to give you an idea of what I was essentially doing yesterday, and going to give you a preview of the class new features that we're implementing, as well as show you the plays that we've done so far today. But you can see here, we just got off our live session here, and this is pretty much the kind of general consensus, you know, when you'll be considering upping the price for new members. The amount of detail is actually crazy, guys. This is the members saying this. Yeah, the members. My only regret is not joining earlier, but it is what it is. Glad to be here. Not gonna lie, this is insanely good. So this is essentially the updates that we did today, are kind of sharing, and that was kind of the free journaling software that we give to all our members soon. It's not out yet. So what I kind of did myself was this is our educational hub. Okay, this is what I was talking about. This is what I updated last night and yesterday. There was so much information I updated. I updated all of this. It's like 20 hours worth of education. Again, a lot of the information I give for free online, but this is just the ultimate if you want more, everything you possibly need. But I updated our swing play algorithm guide. So if you're using the swing play algorithm, we have a complete updated guide on how to use it, your risk management, how to set it, your alerts, everything. We have one for the scalping algorithm, which is here. And then we have our live dashboard guide. So this is our live dashboard, okay? And this is our guide to do it. So this is what it looks like when there's multiple plays on, how to register. These are the key features, I suppose, is the filter tab. So you can filter the pending orders depending on what you want to see. The organization tab, if you want to what you want the cards to show. Switch between night and day mode. The algorithm monitor, so you can monitor when, like, literally you can check when the algorithm is searching the market and the last time when it did it as well. Obviously the 2 algorithms. Position size calculator, so if you use TD365, you click this button and it gives you a custom lot size based off of the information that you put in here and here. So if you put in 2% or 1% or 100k account, it will save that information, and anytime let's say there's like 5 or 6 plays pending, yeah, you can just click that button right there and it will give you the exact risk for this exact trade. If you do it to the one over there, it will show you the exact risk and the lot size of that exact one, and it updates dynamically. And then we added in our economic calendar, so you can see an economic calendar right on the dashboard. And then we have our collapse view, so this is what it looks like if you want to see minimal information. And then we have our detailed view, which shows even more. You have a live chart that's inside it, and you also have features like copy and pasting directly from the dashboard, and then a trading view button which copies the play over to trading view. And then I did a massive update. Again, I'm just showing you what I did, all the work I did yesterday. A massive update to the trading psychology section. Just so you know, trading psychology is the thing that makes people profitable or not. And look at all the trading psychology we have, all the different individual emotions, and if you click on them, every single, you can look at my fear one if you like, they have practical tips on every single one written, and a video of me explaining how to overcome fear in trading. Obviously that's one example, but we do it for all of them. And then obviously we have this one here, and then look, like, this is how much detail it is. Look, all this information here, like I said, this is additional resources. If you click this, I don't want to show it because you'll be able to fucking watch it. It doesn't say the link on the top up there, but you can see here, this is a 1-hour session where I got a professional mindset and professional business and personal coach to come in and do a seminar 1 hour long on how to manage anxiety, how to deal with it. Like, guys, nobody is doing this. No one. I am unrivaled in this because I come from a background that I had 9 years worth of mindset coaching, life coaching, everything, and all of it transfers 1-to-1 right into trading. Because what's the most important part of trading? Trading psychology. And what have I done? Given you full psychology guides on everything. dealing with self-sabotage, becoming, building your self-worth and self-image, tackling stress like a pro. Like again, this person here is a stress coach from the US who came on and did a 1 hour seminar on how to deal with stress. Like, we are unrivaled, because you're not getting the help of me, you're getting the help from all these professionals. We're unbeatable. Sorry. Like, I'm very much under the impression that if you're good at something, you make it known, and we are changing the fucking game. And again, all of these, by the way, all these individual sessions, this one, by the way, building your self-worth and self-image, this one fucking made people cry when we were doing it, because it is incredibly detailed on a lot of the issues that is plaguing your trading, is stuff that you haven't fucking dealt with. Like, the stuff that you're getting access to is literally unrivaled, and I'm not joking. So, like, again, this is our live dashboard, as I said. Now, this is the cool thing. So the next feature we're adding in is a custom journal software for all our members, completely for free. Now, just want to make you aware that this information is wrong. All of this information is wrong. So this is the original algo. This is a scalping algo. If I click this right now, we have not taken 76 trades. That is not our win percentage. That is not our RR. All of this information is wrong. We've only taken about 30 trades. So I need to go in today and fix all of the information. And guess what? We're being, as I said to you, 100% transparent. You're going to be able to go back and look at all the trades and verify them all yourself. So if you're saying, oh, Rob, you're not profitable, the algo isn't profitable, it's not working well, you can go back and check yourself. And you can waste all that time. Or you can just ask the people in the community, is it legit? And they'll tell you, yes, I've been here since the beginning. But you're going to be able to see, like, the monthly, the monthly, sorry, the yearly, the weekly, the hourly, like everything, all the data you'll be able to see. And again, complete transparency. You're going to be able to see all the bloody trades. So if I click this and I go back and if I go back and I put it on 12 months, and I can put on the trade statuses I want to see. So I can say to myself, okay, I want to see all of the trades that hit TP2. Well, you can put it on TP2 and you can go and verify all the trades if you like. So if you want to really see if we're profitable or not, you can go in and you can click this button here. Again, you won't have access to it straight away, but this is stuff that will be coming soon. Click view and oh, that's the original play that was generated on day one. And if you don't believe me, you can copy the hashtag if you really want to get in there, yeah? You can copy the hash, you can go over to the Discord, you can go into the scalping algo section. This is every single play that's been generated. None of these have been edited. You can just ask the crew, you can ask the team. We have never once edited a signal. All the signals are sent in advance, so we can't edit them. They can be there for hours, they can be there for days. Nothing is edited, so it's all 100% verifiable. You can see that the are all here, yeah? And you can just verify them yourself if you like, if you don't believe me. And there's always going to be discrepancies for errors. I know it's like 5% discrepancy we're going to leave either way. We can be wrong either way by 5%. But every bloody thing is verifiable. Unrivaled transparency. Unfucking rivaled. You get to see everything. And as I said, what's really cool is eventually you're going to be able to click stat and create your own journals. But what's really cool is that it's not here yet. Watch your eyes. I'm going to flashbang you. 3, 2, 1, flashbang. Over here in this section, you're going to have loads of other analytics. They're not going to be in there yet, but the guys are going to get complete access to them. You're going to be able to look at specific analytics. We're going to integrate your journals with AI. So AI is going to help you to make you a better trader. It's going to say, like, again, I don't know the exact features, but I know one of them is going to be, it's going to analyze when you're trading, and it's going to say, hey, look, you've never made money on NZD JPY. Stop trading it on the short side. Or it could be like, you've never made money on NASDAQ to the long side between these hours. Stop trading. Go away from the computer here. You know, we're going to have AI to help you with your trading. Again, none of this is right. All the information is wrong. Before you say, oh, 25% win percentage, it's not. It's all wrong. I need to go in and fucking change all the statuses. But it's going to be updated automatically from now on. So guys, this is like the shit we're bringing into the TBR Academy. We are changing the game. You have the management tab, which shows all of the trades. You can basically view all pending orders. I'm not going to show you here now because you'll be able to see, but you can look at all the pending orders. But again, look, if I just put in TP1, these are all the stuff. You'll be able to see everything. You open this up, you have this view. You get to see the charts. So obviously these charts are a bit whack now because these trades are well overweight. You can click the trading view button and woo, you can look at trading view. You can look at the exact play. You can copy all the levels and put them straight over to your broker. You can click this and you can get your risk automatically. There you go. There's your contract size for TD365. Contracts are calculated differently. Before you say 174 contracts or 147, it's calculated differently on TD365. But this would be risking 2% on a 25k account. That's what your lot size would be. That's your stop loss and that's a symbol size. And you can copy all these if you like as well. Next level shit. Like literally next level shit. We can't do anymore. You have your journaling section here then. And over here, we're going to be adding in our own charting software. You can set unlimited alerts. And that's just the beginning. That's just the fucking beginning. And guess what? It's all part of your subscription. If we add in all, if this whole fucking bar along the top gets added with features, you don't pay anything extra. You pay whatever you came in at. If we add another algorithm, I'm going to upsell you. Never. You're going to get it for free as part of your subscription. Never changes. Never changing price. Never nothing. I stand by it. You come in, whatever you come in on, you're rewarded for your loyalty. And to think that people got in at €50 and they're getting all of this. Profitable algorithms, entire web dashboard, free journaling software, soon to be free journaling software, soon to be free charting software, free unlimited alerts, free fucking can't do any more for you guys. So now I'm going to show you the what plays we're in. So this was one play, first play that got so this was actually triggered at 5 o'clock in the morning. Very tight one. Again, you need to have tight spreads. Like one thing I constantly say to people, you need a good broker to be trading the scalping algorithm. If you're not, it's not going to work. And obviously the one I recommend that I say time and time again, TD365 is the best personal account broker that I've ever used because it's the one I used from the beginning and I still use to this day. I opened an account when I first started trading. I became profitable using that account and I'm still making money living off it to this day. If you sign up with my referral link below, make sure to sign up to the cloud trading platform. That way you get access to the fixed tight spreads with no hidden fees. That means no commission. No commission with spreads as low as 0.3 on major indices, 0.6 on UK 100, 0.3 on SP 500. No commission, no hidden fees. You get 200 to 1 leverage. You get negative balance protection. Plus, you can pretty much trade everything. You can trade Forex, you can trade indices, commodities, even stocks and cryptocurrencies as well. And what's really amazing is by signing up, again, using my referral link, which is either going to be in the description or pinned comment, you get 30 days free access to the TBR Academy, all our algorithms, our education, all our tools and resources, everything for free for 30 days. If you want to know full details of that offer, please join the free section of my Discord. And you can see up here, it says gain free access and all the details are here along with the terms and conditions. So not only do you get an amazing broker, but you also get complete free access to make money inside our community using the TBR Academy algos and all our education. I would say that's a good deal. So all you need to do is go down to the pinned comment or the description, sign up to TD365, look at the stuff here, make sure you qualify, open up a ticket, get your free access, and we'll see you on the inside. So yeah, you need tight spreads to actually benefit from this, but entry TP1 break even, and that was gold. And then USD JPY just absolutely disrespected us big time. This is like 2 o'clock in the morning. It just shot fucking straight up. That's the yen for you at the moment. It just flew. Absolutely nothing was respected there, but look, it is what it is. And this one here, oh bad, this was a bit of a bummer, but entry TP1, which is here, look at that. God damn, so bloody close. And then flew right up and hit break even, which was up here. So that's where we're at today. Not a huge amount, as I said, since today. Today has been actually a huge amount. We have quite a few. We have 3 plays pending and it's going quite quickly. And we actually, and you can see there in the top, up at the top right hand corner up here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plays that are pending with the swing play algorithm. and we have 3 plays pending with this scalping algorithm. So quite a lot of plays. You can see here that the community, that the algos, like one of the big complaints about my community a long time ago is that I didn't trade enough, and now we fucking trade the most. We are trading. Activity is so high. The features so high. Even the features have new features. So guys, look, I'm going to leave it there. I think we've done enough for the moment. I'm going to head for a walk, and then I need to get on to the essentially fix our journal so that we have verifiable backtesting results. Almost 6 months for the swing play algorithm, and it'll be about a month of full testing. These are all live testing, by the way. It's not back testing results. These are live tested forward testing results. This isn't back testing, just so you know. So when you look at the results from the swing play algorithm when we're done, this is all was done live. If you traded the algorithm, this is what you would have done. And the scalping algorithm is the same. We did the back testing, and then we released it. Everybody was able to take the plays, and now we're where we are right now. So fast forward a few more hours, the day is pretty much done. We'll be finishing up here now soon. Unfortunately, we're finishing on a loss today. 3 losing trades, 2 winning trades. Full transparency. I want to have full transparency here. Now, overall, the algorithm is still going great. We're about 3 weeks in. The win rate is just shy of 60%. The RR, I think, is about 25 or something like that. Which actually, like, when you think about it, because our risk to reward is so tight on this, it takes a lot to build it up. If we had a TP3 in there and it was like 5, 6, 7, 10 RR, and if we hit 2 or 3 of them, that would be massive. But again, we go for really small amounts, and we go for volume more than anything else. So like, even if you were risking 500, let's say like 0.5% of a 50k account, or 1% of a 0.5% of a 100k account, or if you're trading a personal account for like 25 or 50k, again risking 500, with the RR we're roughly looking at right now, you would have made almost 12 grand in like 3 weeks. That's the power of risk to reward. Yes, the win percentage could be higher, but who gives a fuck about win percentage? The most important statistic is the one you need to focus on, which is the percentage gained on your account. And like, I am fucking delighted with the results so far. Obviously, again, losing day, whatever. We started last week on a losing day as well, and we finished off winning. So week is still young in that sense. We'll be releasing our journal quite soon. As I said, I went over all that. I kind of updated most of the statistics and statistics, so hopefully that'll be up pretty soon, so everybody can see live information 24/7 whenever they like of how the algorithms are running. Transparency to the max. So that's it, guys. Gonna finish up there today. We are gonna have a few pending orders going in, so it'll be beautiful now waking up tomorrow with like 2 or 3 trades that were triggered during the night, and they just hit TPs, and it was all fine and dandy, but we will see. So guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Again, if you like this series, and if you want to see more, make sure to click the subscribe button, make sure to click the bell notification so you actually get notified, and more importantly, leave a like, because if you leave a like, it means that it will be recommended to other people. If you don't leave a like, it's not recommended to other people, and it's not getting out there, and I want to share the love, as it were. But yeah, any thoughts on any of the stuff we're doing, or anything you noticed, or even how your day was going, comment below. Help out the algorithm, help me out. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to join the TBR Academy, link is below. If you want to get free time in the TBR Academy, join up to my partner broker, get 30 days free, and that's pretty much it. Have a good one, have a good night, and I'll see you soon.